Hello everyone, I am Aarti AS. Namo Namah. Welcome back to my channel Sanskrit in English. Today we are going to study lesson number 9 Vibhakti Mala. There are 9 verses in this lesson, 8 verses illustrating the use of 8 cases and 1 verse in which all the singular forms of all the cases of the word Rama in it. We will study this lesson in 2 parts. In today's part, we will study from Prathama to Panchami. Let's start. First verse. Dharmo jayati na dharmah, satyam jayati na nritam, kshama jayati na krodho, devo jayati na surah. Here Prathama Vibhakti has been used. Let us see Padachhedah. Dharmah jayati na adharmah. Na dharmah means na plus adharmah. Satyam jayati. Na nritam. Na nritam means na anritam. Kshama jayati. Na krodhah. Krodho means krodhah. Devo jayati na surah. Devah jayati na asurah. Na surah means na asurah. Now the translation of this verse. Dharmah jayati means the right becomes victorious. Na adharmah, not the wrong. Satyam jayati, the truth prevails or wins. Na anritam, not the falsehood. Anritam means falsehood. Second line. Kshama jayati, na krodhah. Forgiveness wins, not anger. Kshama means forgiveness. Krodhah means anger. Devah jayati, na asurah. God wins, not the demon. Asurah means demon. Now in this verse, dharmah, adharmah, satyam, anritam, kshama, krodhah, devah and asurah all are in Prathama Vibhakti Ekvachanam. Dharmah, adharmah, krodhah, devah, asurah. These 5 words are akaranta pullinga shabdaha. Satyam and anritam are akaranta napusaklinga shabdaha. And kshama is akaranta strilinga shabdaha. Second verse. Vasudeva sutam devam kansa chanura mardanam devaki paramanandam krishnam vande jagadgurum. In this verse, Dvitiya Vibhakti has been used. Let's see Padachhedah of this verse. Vasudeva sutam devam Kansa Chanura Mardanam Devaki Paramanandam Krishnam Vande Jagadgurum. See here, everywhere Anuswar has been given instead of Halant Ma. Now the translation of this verse. Aham Krishnam Vande. First we have to say this. Aham Krishnam Vande. So I bow down to the Lord Krishna. Vasudeva Sutam, who is the son of Vasudeva. Kansa Chanura Mardanam, who destroyed Kamsa and Chanur. Devaki Paramanandam, who gave the greatest joy to Devaki. Paramanandam means greatest joy. Jagadgurum, who is the preceptor of the world. So these all underlined words are in Dvitiya Vibhakti. Vasudeva Sutam, Devam, Kansa Chanura Mardanam, Devaki Paramanandam, Krishnam, Jagadgurum. These all are in Dvitiya Vibhakti. In English, preposition to is used. TO2. Third verse. काव्यशास्त्रविनोदेन कालो गच्छति धीमतां व्यसनेन तु मूर्खाणां निद्रया कलहेन वा। पदच्छेदः काव्यशास्त्रविनोदेन कालो मीन्स कालः गच्छति धीमतां व्यसनेन तु मूर्खाणां। हियर instead of anuswar we have written halant ma. Nidraya kalahena va. Now the translation of this verse. काव्यशास्त्र विनोदेन कालः गच्छति धीमतां धीमतां कालः काव्यशास्त्र विनोदेन गच्छति. That means the time of the intelligent people is passed by the amusement derived from the study of poetry and science. Kavya means poetry, Shastra means science or scriptures. Vinodena means by amusement. Second line. Vyasanena tu murkhanam nidraya kalahena va. Murkhanam kalah vyasanena nidraya va kalahena gacchati. That means fools pass their time in vice or addiction, sleep or quarrel. Vyasanena means in vice or by addiction. Nidraya means by sleeping. Kalahena by quarreling with others. So all these underlined words are in Tritiya Vibhakti. काव्यशास्त्र विनोदेन व्यसनेन कलहेन and nidra is akaranta strilinga shabda, so its tritiya vibhakti ekvachanam becomes nidraya. Fourth verse. Vidya vivadaya dhanam madaya khalasya shaktihi parapīdanaya sadhostu sarvam viparitametat Jnanaya danaya cha rakshanaya. In this verse, Chaturthi Vibhakti has been used. Padachhedah. Vidya vivadaya dhanam madaya khalasya shaktihi parapīdanaya sadhostu. That means sadhoho tu. Sadho means of sadhu. Sadhoho tu sarvam viparitam etat. Viparitam means viparitam plus etat. Jnanaya danaya cha rakshanaya. We can arrange these words in order. Khalasya vidya vivadaya dhanam madaya shaktihi parapīdanaya asti. So, learning of wicked person. Khalasya means of wicked person. Learning of the wicked person is for arguing with others. Vivadaya means arguing with others. Dhanam madaya. Money is for pride. Madaya means for pride. Shaktihi parapīdanaya means his strength is for troubling others. Parapīdanaya means for troubling others. Sadhoho tu means of good person. Viparitam etat is exactly opposite. So sadhoho vidya jnanaya dhanam danaya shaktihi rakshanaya asti. So of good person, his learning is for knowledge, wealth is for charity, and strength is for protecting others. Vidya jnanaya means learning for knowledge. Dhanam danaya, wealth for charity. Shaktihi rakshanaya, strength for protecting others. All these underlined words are in Chaturthi Vibhakti. Vivadaya, Madaya, Parapīdanaya, ज्ञानाय, दानाय, रक्षणाय. In English, preposition for is used in this sense. Fifth verse. तैलाद्रक्षेत् जलाद्रक्षेत् रक्षेत् शिथिलबन्धनात् मूर्खहस्तेन दातव्यम् एवं वदति पुस्तकम्. In this verse, Panchami Vibhakti has been used. Padachchedah. Tailat rakshet. Tailat rakshet means tailat plus rakshet. Jalad rakshet. Jalad plus rakshet. Jalad rakshet. Rakshet shithila bandhanat. Murkha hastena datavyam evam vadati pustakam. Now the translation. Evam vadati pustakam means thus says a book. What does it say? Tailat rakshet. Protect me from oil. Jalat rakshet. Protect me from water. Rakshet shithila bandhanat. Protect me from loose binding. So tailat means from oil. Jalat means from water. Shithila bandhanat means from loose binding. Murkha hastena datavyam. The book says, I should not be given in the hands of a fool. Evam vadati pustakam. Thus says a book. So, underlined words are in Panchami Vibhakti. Tailat, Jalat, Shithila bandhanat. These all are in Panchami Vibhakti. And in English, preposition from is used in this sense. Link to the playlist has been given in the description box. If you like my teaching, then please like, share and subscribe my channel Sanskrit in English. Don't forget to press the bell icon. Namo Namaha. Punah Milamah. Dhanyavadah.